Welcome back to Smooth Auto Vibes. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Toyota Vitz, a compact hatchback that's making a bold statement in the small car segment with fresh styling, smarter tech, and that classic Toyota reliability we all know and love. The Vitz has always been a go-to car for urban drivers. Known for its practicality, affordability, and efficiency, it's a familiar name, especially in markets like Asia and Africa. But in 2025, Toyota has taken things to the next level. They've given the Vitz a stylish makeover, enhanced its performance, and packed it with features that punch way above its class. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Vitz wears a more athletic look, with sharper LED headlights, a bold grille, and streamlined body lines that give it a youthful and energetic vibe. The proportions are compact, but there's a new sense of presence. It looks like a smaller version of the Yaris Cross, which makes sense because it's now based on the same DNGA platform co-developed with Daihatsu. That means better handling, improved ride comfort, and an overall more refined driving experience. Now, under the hood, the new Vitz is being offered with multiple powertrains depending on the region. The most common one is the 1.0-liter 3-cylinder engine, efficient and smooth, perfect for city driving. There's also a hybrid version in select markets that combines a 1.5-liter engine with an electric motor, delivering even better fuel economy and lower emissions. The hybrid system is quiet, responsive, and really shines in stop-and-go traffic. Inside the cabin, Toyota has made significant improvements. The dashboard layout is cleaner, with a floating touchscreen infotainment system that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The materials feel more premium than before: soft touch surfaces, detailed stitching, and improved seat cushioning. It's still a budget-friendly car, but it doesn't feel cheap. Space-wise, the 2025 Vitz offers a comfortable environment for both driver and passengers. There's good legroom up front, and while the rear seats are best suited for 2 adults or 3 kids, it's perfectly usable for daily commutes or quick trips with friends. The cargo space is surprisingly decent for a hatchback of this size, and the rear seats fold down if you need more room. Toyota also focused on safety this time around. The new Vitz comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense in many markets, which includes features like lane departure warning, pre-collision system, adaptive cruise control, and even automatic high beams. These are features that were once exclusive to more expensive cars, now making their way to the compact category. What really makes the 2025 Vitz special is how it blends fuel efficiency, compact size, and everyday usability with a touch of style and modern features. It's not a performance car, and it's not meant to be flashy. But for someone who wants a reliable, low-maintenance ride that's easy on the wallet and offers solid build quality, the Vitz continues to be a top contender. In terms of pricing, Toyota is keeping it competitive. It starts in an affordable range, depending on the trim level and market. Maintenance costs are low, spare parts are widely available, and the resale value for Vitz models has always been strong, a big plus for budget-conscious buyers. To wrap it up, the 2025 Toyota Vitz is a smart update to a well-loved nameplate. It sticks to its roots while embracing the tech and design trends of today. Whether you're a first-time car buyer, a student, or someone looking for a dependable second car, this little hatchback has a lot to offer. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more updates on the latest cars with smooth reviews and chill vibes, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned to Smooth Auto Vibes. Catch you in the next one.